Expert kitchen remodeling services in Centerville, Utah. For homeowners in Centerville, Utah, looking to enhance their kitchens, EagleRidge offers expert remodeling services designed to transform any space into a stylish and functional centerpiece of the home. With years of experience in the industry, our skilled team specializes in kitchen makeovers, renovations, and custom remodeling, ensuring every detail aligns with your vision and needs. Our services in Centerville, Utah include everything from new kitchen construction and custom design to cabinetry, countertops, and flooring. Whether you're looking to install granite, quartz, or marble countertops, update your cabinetry with custom-built solutions, or refresh your flooring with tile, hardwood, or vinyl, EagleRidge delivers high-quality craftsmanship in every project. Lighting plays a crucial role in creating the perfect kitchen atmosphere. We offer under-cabinet lighting, recessed lighting, LED upgrades, and even skylight installations to brighten your space. Our plumbing services include sink and faucet installation, garbage disposal setups, and even pot filler installations for added convenience. For homeowners looking to modernize their kitchens, we provide built-in appliance installations, smart home integration, and energy-efficient solutions to enhance both aesthetics and functionality. Structural modifications, such as wall removal for open-concept layouts, new door and window installations, and kitchen expansions, are seamlessly executed by our expert team. We also handle kitchen ventilation with professional vent hood and exhaust fan installations to maintain air quality and comfort. From start to finish, EagleRidge manages every step of the remodeling process, beginning with an in-depth consultation and design planning. Our licensed and insured contractors ensure that every project is completed on time and within budget, maintaining clear communication throughout. Kitchen remodeling not only enhances the look and feel of your home, but also adds significant value. Whether you're updating your kitchen for a more modern feel or increasing functionality for daily use, EagleRidge is committed to delivering superior results that exceed expectations. For expert kitchen remodeling services in Centerville, Utah, contact EagleRidge today at 801-784-1457 for a free estimate. Let us bring your dream kitchen to life with precision, quality, and craftsmanship.